Alright, y'all, so in this video, we are Dingdon ditching. Huh? What? Huh? What?
Your bike fell, and I ran over it.
Yeah. How did it fall?
You're lucky I saw that. You had it click?
Yeah.
Oh, that's making me scared.
Huh?
That's making me scared.
My magnet's in my bedroom. I don't use the magnet at all. Oh. Is my mic still connected? No. Never mind, my mic is still connected, I guess. Only reason I have ski mask on is so people don't know it's me.
Yeah.
If I had goggles, I wouldn't be wearing a ski mask. God, these stupid bugs. So, did you fix your suspension?
Nah.
Oh.
But it's fine.
I was like hardly playing Beam. I was doom scrolling on Instagram the whole time.
It's the dog that barks laser.
What? So,
What? I was doing an intro.
so
Yeah.
it's like in this video, we're Dingdon ditching. Yo, where's new video at?
What is yours? You haven't posted a bike video in 4 weeks.
I'll post it when I get home. I have it it's just I didn't post it.
I'm posting one this week.
You are?
Yeah.
I mean,
it's gonna be Dingdon Ditch.
yeah. Dingdon ditching gone wrong.
With Van Tixco.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get monetized before you.
Nuh-uh. I have like 1,000 times more subscribers than you.
1,000 times?
Yeah.
So you have 10,000 subscribers?
No.
I don't have one subs.
Oh wait, I'm at 500.
Is there someone behind us? Yeah, there's a kid behind us.
7.
6, 7.
Bro, there's a sticker in my garage that is Riz level 6-7. That's what it says.
Bro. I'm Ultra Rider.
Wait, actually hit some combos.
No, this bike's not powerful enough. When I get Benel, it will.
hit combos like not wheeling.
Oh my
Hit
god.
combos right now.
No. Bro, what is this kid doing? Oh my god, 44 miles per hour. Holy cow. In this video, we Dingdon ditched. It's a monster. There's some kid behind you.
What?
There's someone behind you.
Alright, let's go.
Set. That was. That was. Yeah. Huh?
On a fake red star.
Yeah.
He actually has one?
Yeah, I swear that was past us. Or it was behind us. Huh? Is that you? Oh my god. Oh my god, I need Face ID for everything. Oh. Okay. Bro, I need Face ID for everything. Because I have Face ID on all my apps.
Why?
Well, I have it on messages so people can't, like, I don't know, look at my messages.
All these people have
If we do that one.
the window. You have to look.
Go!
Yeah. But there's a Tesla right there with cameras. Oh yeah. Alright, man.
You're next. You're doing next.
No.
Yeah.
Yo, you have a faster bike.
I don't care.
You're also, you have a ski mask. I'm not going next. Alright. Ready? Ready? Nah. No, doorbell. Ready? Go.
The one without the number on it, they had a doorbell. Yeah. Do you wanna? You do that one.
No.
Why not?
It's probably full of cameras.
I don't see a camera over there.
I do.
Where?
There's probably a camera in the bathroom.
There's not.
I'm not doing that. You have a faster bike, bro.
And I take so long to get on.
I know how.
But 500's open. Is there any cameras? Hi. Fuck. Bro, she stepped right outside of about.
Did we do 502?
There's people. The neighbors are out. They can see us. 512 maybe. Or 5. Do you want to do 520? They're probably expecting packages. Look at 520.
Mine bounces.
Oh shoot. I can't lift mine up. It's too big. Ultra B size.
Yo, that is not Ultra B size.
It's probably light BX.
No, that's probably Hyper B. Nah, that's probably 2D size.
They're not 2DO size. Yours is probably like. Yours is bigger than a 2DO. Has to be. Yeah, we need to take that off. We need to take this off.
What is?
Yeah, so we can get it. Is that the right size? No. Is that the biggest size?
GG's.
Oh, fuck, that is.
Wait. No, I don't have my toolkit. Can I take it off to wash my bike? Oh no. Oh, bro. No, when I don't bring my toolkit, it breaks.
His chain fell off.
Oh,
No, it's like stuck in there.
yeah, it's like stuck.
And we don't have like a.
Oh, that's an electric bike.
Yeah.
But maybe, can you turn it backwards?
Like what?
What do you mean by turn it backwards?
Let me see. Maybe I can help.
Yeah, because like his chain got stuck in there.
Mm-hmm. Okay, lift this up.
Right.
Perfect. You have all the electric part off, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now. There it is. Is that the gear you were in? No. You were probably in the no.
Wait.
See, move it. Move it to the middle one. You see where? Okay.
Yeah, good now.
It's good. It's lined up.
Yeah.
There
Thank
you
you.
go, my friend.
Thank you.
Enjoy your ride.
Thanks.
I don't know. You might want to look at it again. But you see these screws here? Yeah. Right there, called limiting screws. So there's limiting screws. They're adjusted so that the one probably only allows the front derailleur to go over so far and stop. It's like stop. It's like a limiting stop. And
Holy, Yeah.